Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's understand the do family in this video. Do here refers to do, does and did. Do means that any action that you have accomplished in the present by a number of people. Does refer to an action again accomplished in the present tense but by a singular person. Did refers to an action that is done in the past and now you are talking about it or referring to it. More importantly, guys, we need to understand the difference in how these three words are used with different subjects and verbs. So without any delay, let's jump to the main content. So my first pickup is do. Well, do refers to a work that is done in the present. When I said by a number of people, I mean the subject has to be plural in nature. Like they, like we. The only exception here is I. So do you understand when the plural people, multiple people have accomplished a task, we say they do, I do, we do. And the verb that follows here is always in the present tense. Like go, work, welcome, visit. It has to be in present, guys, because here we are using do, an action that is done in present. Then how can the following verb be in past? Present and past can't be simultaneously working at the same time, right? In simpler language, guys, here do refers to, in Hindi if I say, एक टास्क को आज करना. और कौन कर रहा है? बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं. So two takeaways. One is the verb has to be in present tense, that is following do, and the subject here has to be in plural in nature. For example, they, we or I. Now let's understand does. After we have understood do, the same philosophy works with does but in a slightly different manner. Now does is an action which is done by a singular person in present, or an action which you are referring to done by another person. So subject here is always third person singular. What do I mean when I say third person singular? It means the person has to be he, she or the name of the person. And the verb that follows does has to be in present tense. Why? Because does is a present tense word. हिंदी में इसको सरल भाषा में ऐसे कहेंगे समझने के लिए that any action, कोई भी ऐसा एक्शन जो आज में किया गया हो लेकिन एक बंदे ने किया है, तो आप जब उस बंदे को रेफर करते हो तो आप उसके लिए डज यूज करते हो. और कोई भी वर्ब जो आप यूज करोगे मतलब आगे का काम किया गया वो आज के ही समय का होगा, मतलब प्रेजेंट टेंस में होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी डज कुकिंग एवरी डे. She does visit her aunt on weekends. So do you understand? Always she, he, does, and then the verb is in present. Work, visit, go. You must have seen a similarity between do and does. Carefully listen to me. We never use s in the verb. If you see my words, it was always work, visit, go. We never use s with do and does. That's a rule. You have to memorize it, guys. There's no other way out. The third word here is now did. Did belongs to an action that is done in the past. It's a present tense word. But the rule here says, with did, we never use a verb that is in past. We always use a verb that is in present tense. For example, the present tense verb could be go, visit, have, eat. And the subject here can be anything. Plural, singular, both works. So the sentence could be, he did not go to office today. Did and go, and the subject could be anything. हिंदी में इसको कहेंगे कोई भी ऐसा कार्य पास्ट में किया गया हो. And the rule here would be कि पास्ट के साथ हम हमेशा did के साथ, which is in past, उसके साथ हम हमेशा present tense का verb use करेंगे. I hope you got this simple technique, guys, and please ensure that you do not use s with again the word did. So this is the simple understanding for the family of do. If you want to watch what all things you should not do and the common mistakes we make with did and does, Please watch my next video. You can click on the I button or you can refer to the link in the description of this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content.